Okay. So I made it so it can have emotions. So I changed this. Oh, wrong one. Type in smile. You can see now it smiles, or she smiles, or if I type in frown, trust me, this was not easy, especially with the eyebrows, because you have to be at a certain angle. So I type in frown, you can see she frowns. I put in the angry. Now she's angry. Okay. So we've got for being sad, we got for being happy, and we have for being, oh yeah, there's one more. Be surprised. We got fourth emotion that she can express. Be surprised. And now she's surprised. So reset, I type be content. Now she's content with her funny looking mouth. That's good, and you can change mouths too, but then you have to resize it. Now the emotions, those are preset sizes for the mouth, and that way if you change the content looking mouth, it doesn't affect the facial emotional expressions that happen afterwards, like smiling and stuff. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, now she can express emotions. So